Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's thank to Allah Almighty God, the most gracious, the most merciful, the Lord of the world, the King of the Judgment Day, who given us mercy and blessing so we can do the activity to the night. And secondly, salawat and salutation to best person Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, to the likeness in the darkness of Islam. Introduction in myself. My name is Muhammad Farhan Fadila, and will be my friends is my friend is hello my friends. What's your name?
Raffi Rasidan.
Rafi Rasidan
Rehan Tamaki.
and hello my friends. Rehan. Rehan. Hello Rehan.
My name is Rehan Tamaki.
Okay. All my friends in presentation to the night. The first presentation is my presentation. Next presentation, first presentation. What is star searching? Star searching is significant process of locating, observing, and analyzing stars in the universe. It involves both ground-based and space-based telescopes used in various fields astronomy, astrophysics, and cosmology. Next, tools and technology. Optical telescopes, Hubble Space and Telescope, radio telescope, infrared observing, James Webb Space and Telescope, satellite and space probes. Next. And number one is how to store and manage song data using arrays. And number two, how to implement searching algorithms in the iPad. And number three, how are song added to playlists. And number four, how to display search results and playlist content. Next. The next slide is objective. Implement a simple music player using C++. Use arrays to manage song and playlists. Apply searching algorithm, linear and binary search. Provide practical understanding of programming logic. Next. Hello. Next. The next key context. Algorithm step by step logical ingredients to solve a problem. Array data structure to store a fixed size sequence of elements of the same type. Searching is the process of finding specific data in a collection. Next. The next is what is Spotify? Spotify is streaming service that allow user to listen to song, podcasts, and videos from various artists and creators around the world. The main the main function of Spotify is for is provides easy and fast access to a variance of audio contents via apps or website, either for free with as of premium with the additional features like you can download offline song. Next. The next is advance of Spotify. Is number one user friendly interface. Spotify allows users to easily access everything they need from creating playlists and discovering new music to listen to the radio and more. A large music collection. What is mole- what is music collection? Music collection is Spotify provides access to a vast music library of over 14 million tracks, making it highly likely that using can find almost any song they wish to listen. Next. The next is disadvantage of Spotify. Lower sound quality for free user. User of Spotify free should be aware than the streaming quality in the reality low, completed and just 116 caps. Non-paying members have to listen to audience. With a free account, Spotify users have to listen to audio ads between their favorite song and podcast episode. Next. Okay. The next presentation is Dian Anggunsari. Enough in just from me. Thank you.
Implement recorder for array and struct algorithm in the Spotify application. The first is input. The input there are three library declaration. The one include Eostream. Include Eostream a command use the use the use to insert the Eostream file header into the program being developed. The Eostream file header is very important because it contains definition for standard input-output stream. Two primary examples of the stream are chain, which is used to take input for the for from the user, and code, which is used to display output to the screen. The two include string, a command used to work with string text in easier and safer way than using character array directly. Use include string when you use a variable that has type std. The three include algorithm, a command used to include the algorithm header, which provide a collection of functions designed to operation a range of elements. These functions include algorithm for searching, sorting array, and vector. The four, using names std. The directive allow you to use all the name in the std namespace without prefixing them with std. This can make your code clean and easier to read, but it also has some drawbacks. Some common identifiers that are in std namespace: count, sort, find, equal, reverse. Having a local variable called count means the use namespace std won't enable you to use count inside std account. Next, the next step, definition data structure. The one max and max playlist. To define the maximum limit of song data and the maximum limit of the playlist array. The two, struct lagu. It is a data type used to store or group several different variables into a single unfired data type inside the struct lagu. They are they are three variables. The one string judul, a variable to store the title of the song. The two string penyanyi, a variable to store the singer name. The three string album, a variable to store the album name. The next declarative variable. Next declarative variable. One lagu data atau lagu data or lagu max in function to add a new song. The add song will be stored the daftar lagu or jumlah lagu after is saved. The total number of song will increase by one. The two lagu playlist or max playlist. It function to add a song the playlist. The song data add to the playlist will be stored in playlist or jumlah playlist. After it is add to the total number of songs in the playlist will increase by one. The three integer jumlah lagu. It function to store the number of songs currently saved the song list array. The song count start from 0 because of the beginning of the program. No song data has been stored yet. The four integer jumlah playlist. It functions to store the number of songs in the playlist starting from 0 to because the playlist is still empty at the beginning. Next. Next step, add song function. The one void the function does not return any value. The two tambah lagu. The name of this function indicated that its purpose is to add a song to the song list. The three string title, the title of the song to be added. The fourth string singer, the name of the singer of perform of the song. The five string album, the name of the album the song belongs to. The sixth title, singer, and album. Create a new song object use the data provide of parameters to the function. The seven, if jumlah lagu checks whether there is remaining space in the daftar lagu array. Max in the maximum number of songs that can be stored in the array. If jumlah lagu is less than max, it means there is still room to add a new song. The fourth, daftar lagu or jumlah lagu access the index position jumlah lagu in the daftar lagu array. Since array start point to the next empty position when add a new song. And next, my friend Rafi.
Okay, I'm gonna explain about next step. Next step is function to add a song to the playlist. You can see the decoder or pause the video. Next. First is if playlist count max playlist. If the number of songs in the playlist has reached the maximum limit, max underscore playlist, no more song can be added. If full, display the message playlist is full. The function will immediately return to stop the process and prevent further input. 2 is string title, artist, album. These variables are used to store the song data entered by the user. 3 third is imputing song data. 1 is code. Code is used to display a prompt message on the screen asking the user for input. 2 is getLine chain. Reads the full line of text input from the user and store it into the title, artist, and album variables accordingly. 4 is adding the song to the playlist. 1 is playlist count equals accesses the index position playlist count in the playlist array to store the new song. 2 is title, artist, album. Represents a new song object created from the user's input data, title, artist, and album. Next step is function to sort song data. First is bool. This function returns a boolean value true or false. It is used as a comparison function to sort the list of songs by title in ascending A to Z order. The function compares two songs and determines their order based on their titles. 2 is sort. A function from the algorithm library that sorts the elements of an array or a range. The sort function sorts the daftar lagu array from index 0 to jumlah lagu -1. It used to compare judul function to determine the order, which sorts the songs lexicographically or dictionary order based on the song title. Next step is binary search function. First is int or integer, represents the index position of the matching song in the playlist. If the song is not found, the functions return -1. 2 is const string and keyword. This is a reference to a constant string passed into the function that represents the search keyword, usually the song title. Because it is a constant reference, the value cannot be modified inside the function, and it avoids unnecessary copying of the string. 3 is the starting index for the search, usually set to null, is low. 4 is high. The ending index for the search, usually set to jumlah lagu -1, or the index of the last song currently stored in array. 5 is search loop or while. 1 is while, low, high. This loop continues as long as there is a valid search range. If low becomes greater than high, it means the search has ended without finding the data. 2 is mid, the middle position of the current search range calculated as low plus high per 2. 3 is if daftar lagu mid judul equals keyword return mid. Checks if the song title at the middle index matches the keyword. If it matches, the song is found, and the function returns the current mid position. 4 is else if daftar lagu mid judul keyword low equals mid plus 1. If the title at mid is less than the keyword or comes earlier alphabetically, the search continues in the right half of the array. 5 is next is else if daftar lagu mid judul keyword high equals mid plus -1. If the title at mid is greater than the keyword or comes later alphabetically, the search continues in the left half of the array. and the last is return means 1. If the loop ends without finding a match, the function return means 1 to indicate that the song title is not found in the list. Next step is function to display the song list and playlist. You can see the code. This function display the saved song list and playlist, including each item with a serial number or index number. Next, for the step 9, will explained by Ryan Tamalaki.
I
I
will
will
explain about menu function.
menu function. The following is a function
to
used
store
to
the
store
song
the song
artist,
title,
and
artist, and
album data.
album data.
Okay,
Okay,
this is
this is
menu display and
menu
out
display and out
and input.
and input.
The program
The
display a
program
menu
display a menu
to the user
to the
and
user
wait
and wait for an
input using
input using
switch
switch
statement.
statement.
Tampilkan daftar lagu als
Tampilkan
function to display
lagu
all song.
as
Case
function
2,
to display all
case 2
song.
out.
Case
Masukkan judul
2
lagu yang
case 2
cari.
out
Get line
lagu
sim
yang
judul
dicari.
cari index binary search judul search for a song title using a binary search. If found print songs detail
Print songs
title
detail
artist dan album
title
and album.
artist dan album
If
and
not
album.
found displays
If not found displays
message.
not found message. Okay, wait.
The function
The function above is used to
populate
populate
the initial
the
song
initial
list
song list by
adding same
adding
default
same
song to
default
help
song
or
to help
organize
the song
list along with
with their
titles.
titles. Display songs
when the
when
user
the
enters
user
number 1,
enters number 1,
the program will display a song
display a
data
song
that
data
has
that
been
has been
previously
previously
songs
input. The songs
will be shown in
will be shown
a
in
number
a number
list, and
list, and
the titles
the titles will be
will be sorted deep deep
deep deep
deep
deep
alphabetically from
alphabetically from
A to Z.
A to Z. Next
Presentation Raka
Raka Putra.
And for the next slide, number 2, search for a song. And the menu 1, tampilkan semua lagu. 2, cari lagu. 3, tambah lagu ke playlist. 4, tampilkan playlist. 5, keluar. And for the next slide.
Okay, wait.
Next. And the next slide, add song to playlist. When the user selects menu option number 3, they are prompted to manually enter the song title, singer's name, album name. Their input are then added to the playlist. This function allows the user refreshing existing song list, as there is no automated selection. Example from the image. Masukkan judul lagu, Balonku. Masukkan nama penyanyi, Bonbon Indonesia. Masukkan nama album, lagu anak-anak. Lagu berhasil ditambah ke playlist. And the next slide. Next. And for the next slide, for display playlist. By choosing menu option number 4, the application will display the playlist. The playlist is shown in the order in which song were added. It does not sort song alphabetically. Example for the image. Balonku, Bonbon Indonesia. Mangu 420. Cicak di dinding at Mahmud. And next slide.
Okay.
And the last slide, 5 exit. Selecting menu number 5 will exit the program. Example for the image. Keluar dari program, process exit after 124 seconds with return value 0. Press any key to continue. This indicates the end of program execution and returns a status code of 0, which typically means the program's ended successful. And next. And the last consequence. The implementation of basic feature of Spotify-like application using array and searching algorithms has been successful achieved. The application capable of displaying a list songs, searching for songs by title, and adding songs to a playlist. The result, the implementation show that array and searching algorithms can be used to build a simple application with basic feature. The main challenge occurs during implementation was in the case of searching in large database, which requires the use of optimized searching algorithm. And next. And thank you for the attention. See you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.